Hi, I'm Mentz, your rebate coach for Nexstar Network, and it is my pleasure to introduce you to Josh Jeba from Titan Pro Technologies.
My name is Josh Jeba. I'm a member of the sales team at Titan Pro Technologies. We are a ServiceTitan consulting firm. We help members get the most out of the platform by optimizing their systems and processes, setting up automations inside of their company just to utilize ServiceTitan what it's really meant to be used for. When a member onboards with Titan Pro Technology, we have a special program specifically for Nexstar members. One thing is they'll get designated to our Nexstar team, which is our highest level of coaching and price book experts that are going to cater specifically to our Nexstar members. On top of that, so the very first thing that's going to happen when they sign on with us is they're going to give us the keys to the castle. We're going to get full access, admin access to their ServiceTitan so that we can do a full analysis. So typically, this is part of the program. Typically, that analysis is charged for clients. This is complimentary for Nexstar members. It's a 120-point analysis. It takes us a few hours to do, but once we dive in there, we have a full understanding of what is actually happening inside of their ServiceTitan. We mark everything on good, incomplete, not set up, so we have really the full ground foundation. After that analysis, we set up a kickoff call where I introduce them to their Titan Pro coach who is going to meet with them on a weekly basis and help them get everything optimized. Within the first 60 days of partnering with Titan Pro, our team is going to come out on site and work directly with the Nexstar members team. This is something that's typically a $5,000 package that we include in our program for Nexstar members specifically. So we feel that it is really important to get our hands dirty, and with the member specifically, it's the best way to move forward, make sure that everyone is on the same page, what we're optimizing. We're really able to put a ton of time and individual focus in that on-site, and it gives us really a good ground foundation as we move forward in the partnership. One success story I'd like to tell you about is with Brown's Heating and Cooling out of Sarasota. They are a Nexstar member. They came to us with some serious issues within their price book. So first thing we did the full analysis. We had seen exactly where they needed help, and we determined that the best route was to build out a new service price book and a new install price book. This is going to really help their team in the field just from a time standpoint, but they're also going to increase their close rates and increase their average ticket. So from a direct return on investment, we can see the future is bright with how Browns will be able to utilize their price book moving forward. Another thing that we did that is a huge opportunity is we optimized their inventory module. And so by optimizing their inventory module, by updating their price book, we're obviously going to be able to save them a ton of time. Their techs aren't going to be building out estimates in the field. They're going to have options to present to customers, which are going to increase their close rates. It's going to increase their average ticket. Our goal for every member is to give them their time back and increase the amount of money that they're making.
What a great example of a success story. They were able to come in, optimize efficiency, save them time, and maximize their ROI. We are so proud to call them a strategic partner at Nexstar Network.